Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add text boxes to your documents on Google Docs. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and we're going to guide you through this step by step. So with that in mind, let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I added a text box to my document here in Google Docs. Let me show you how you can do that too. So let me just delete that text box for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do, guys, is first move your cursor or mouse where you would like to place your text box. So let me place it, let's say here. And what you want to do after that is click on Insert here at the top, select Drawing from the drop-down menu and click on New here. After that, you will be redirected to that window here. Now, here you may start typing by simply clicking on the text box icon here at the top and by selecting or drawing your text box with your left mouse just like that. Type in your text just like that, and last but not least, also make some customization and changes. For instance, you may add a border to your text box by clicking on border weight here and by selecting a border thickness from the drop-down menu like 1px, 3, 4, 12 and so on and so forth. So I'm going to use a border of 3px thickness. You may also play around with the settings here by changing a custom font color and by changing your border color here and so on and so forth. Now, once you're finished, guys, simply click on Save and Close here, and that is going to add your text box to your document. Now, in the last step, left click on your text box, select or click on these three dots at the bottom, select all image options, and here from that right panel, expand the text wrapping options and switch from inline with text to wrap text to wrap your text. Now you can move your text box around here on your document just like this, and the text is going to be wrapped automatically along your text box. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.